Artificial intelligence, what is it and what will it mean for us? Artificial intelligence is the technology that allows machines to imitate human intelligence. It is a way of sifting through huge amounts of data and finding patterns, giving predictions, and performing other tasks that humans might consider too difficult or tedious. The last few decades have seen a revolution in AI technology, both in how it is used and the speed of its development. Facing a global population of 7 billion people, we are on a fast track to overpopulation and mass extinction. Did you know that by 2050, the world will be home to more than 9 billion people? We need new solutions to this problem that address the root causes of climate change and population overreach. Sustainable AI is one such technology. It can collect a large amount of data and analyze it quite effectively, which could help us make informed decisions today to ensure our future. Artificial intelligence (AI) is everywhere, and we are nowhere near ready. Within 10 years, artificial intelligence will be able to carry out most human tasks. The question is not if this will happen, but when. The key to thriving in an AI world is to be proactive about incorporating AI into your business strategy. The earlier you start, the more time you have to strategize, learn, and experiment. Be prepared for the future by embracing AI now. The first true intelligence, not just a simulation. Building a machine that can think for itself is not as easy as it seems. We need to create a perfect set of rules that can guide the machine throughout its learning process and eventually teach it how to think. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the theory that intelligence can be replicated in computers or machines by giving them the ability to reason, think, learn, and act like humans. AI is the intelligence exhibited by machines or software, and it manifests itself in a wide range of applications, from movie recommendations on YouTube to automated trading on the stock market. Many have heard the term, but some are still wondering what it means. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is a branch of computer science that deals with creating intelligent machines. This type of intelligence is created by giving digital devices the ability to do things that would require human intelligence if done manually. It can be used in a wide range of industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, banking, and many more. AI has been around since the 1950s, but you might not know this because there were just simple programs or algorithms back then, like chess-playing computers and self-driving cars, that weren't available in those days. What will the future of AI look like? The future of AI looks bright. There is a great deal of progress being made in the field, and that progress is only going to pick up. In a recent article by tech blog Futurism, they make the point that AI will take on increasingly more complicated tasks and jobs in the near future. AI will continue to evolve, and we will not be able to predict what it will look like in the future. Predictions for the future of AI have been around for more than a decade now and have included everything from robots taking over our jobs to humans being able to upload their consciousness into an AI. We can expect that AI will continue to grow in many areas such as finance, healthcare, education, manufacturing, marketing, etc. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the use of computer programs to perform tasks normally done by humans. AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. AI is a very broad term that can be used for many different things. There are 3 categories of AI: strong AI, weak AI, and artificial general intelligence (AGI). This article will focus on the first 2 types of AI. Strong AI. Strong AI is an artificial intelligence system with cognitive abilities that match or surpass a human's in all areas and working on tasks. Weak AI. Weak or narrow artificial intelligence (NI) is an artificial intelligence system that specializes in one area and cannot outperform humans in other areas. As will artificial intelligence replace humans? The advent of AI has created mass debate. Some argue that AI will replace humans and there is nothing anyone can do to stop it, while others believe that technology has always been created to complement human work, not replace it. In the past few years, There has been a lot of talk about the future of artificial intelligence and how it will affect our lives. Some people think that AI will soon replace humans in most professions. A study carried out by the University of Oxford found that 47% of jobs are under threat from automation. Are you worried about whether you'll still have a job in 10-20 years? Don't panic just yet. Humans are not going to be replaced by robots for the foreseeable future, at least not in all professions and industries. What is the goal of AI? AI is a type of artificial intelligence computer system that is designed to learn from its environment and make decisions. AI often mimics human behavior. Some argue that one day, AI may surpass humans in intelligence. The main goal of AI is to improve our lives and make doing things easier. AI is already able to do many things that humans have been doing for centuries: diagnose, analyze, and predict. As of today, artificial intelligence still has a long way to go before it can be truly sentient. The main goal of AI is not to replace humans but rather to take over mundane tasks so that we can use our time more efficiently.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject, and if you agree with the AI